Hello viewers, let's unbox this one. Just got it in. Nice little box. You can hear the coins running around. It's a bit a violent process, but it's necessary. And we pull out the good stuff. So let's see what the good stuff is. As always, good packaging. And I can see some yellow stuff there. Let's see what the yellow stuff is. One yellow thingy, two yellow thingy, and this is number 3. Okay, let's look at them. Queen's head and Queen's head. These are the doggy ones. And when I say doggies, we have the year of the dog gold pieces. The Lunar series, very nice. They are always nice. No, it's not good. Go like this. These are the little doggies. Of course, this is the 1/10th and the 1/20th of an ounce. So I like small coins. I don't know why. You can buy much more small coins than big ones, so it's better for diversity. I really like them. And we have this one. Oh, the French. The little French. Let's see the year. That's 1817. No, this is a good year. 20 francs of France. Oh man, did I get one? Oh. I actually ordered the chicken with the chicken on it. Louis the 10, 15, 18. Louis the 18th of France. A nice gold French coin. Look at it. Don't look at my fingers because I work really hard with my hands. Sorry. Oh, I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. This is such a bomb to get this one. Oh, this is a beauty. 1817, so it's just after the Napoleon, the next ruler of France, Louis the 18th. Wow. Never ever did I imagine I could get this one. Man, did they make a mistake, because I specifically ordered the one with the chicken in it. I wanted to have a chicken on my coin and I get the Louis. Well, I can jump up and down at this point because this is a real gift. Man. So, probably good things happen to good people, because I really ordered another coin, but I'm happy to get this one. I think they made a mistake because I didn't order this one. I will look in my books if they are worth more money or less money, but I paid really the gold price with some small premium above. So I'm a lucky bastard, as always. I'm shocked. I'm really shocked. I never thought that I will get a 200-year-old coin when I paid for one which was 100 years old. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So nice. 20 francs, 1817. And we live in 2017. So 200-year coin for a modern coin price. Yes, I'm surprised. Oh yes, I'm so surprised. Nice fat one. Fat face. He ate a lot of food, I think, this guy. Well. Nice one. This is really a gift. Really a gift. Okay, thank you for watching, and everybody collect coins and have a lot of fun doing it. Thank you very much for watching.